Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a beaver. Let's start off by drawing the top of the head with a line going to the right that bumps up slightly. Then, continue that line with a really big bump to the back. From the start, draw the chin with a line dipping down, flattening out, and turning down again. Then, add a short zigzag at the end for some fur texture. For the front leg, start with a line coming down past here, with a small wavy line like so for the toes. Then, a big curved line coming down and to the left for the back of the leg. For the belly, continue the zigzag under the chin on the other side of the leg. And for the hind leg, a small notch here for some fur, and a big curve that comes down like so. Then, a long flat shape that turns up at the end for the foot. Did you know that beavers have long, flat, webbed back feet? They're kind of like flippers and they help beavers swim. Next, continue the line for the belly on this side, going straight out to the back. Then, connect the ends with a zigzag. From there, draw a really long U shape coming out the back for the tail. Next, we can draw some more features to our beaver. On the head, draw a small rounded V shape here for an ear, and a smaller upside down U shape inside it for the inner ear. On the tip of the head, a dot for the nose, a dot for the eye, and a small bump in front for the teeth. On the tail, draw some really thin crossing lines. And add a few zigzags around the body to add some more texture for the fur. Lastly, draw the other legs on the other side by copying the shape slightly to the left like so. And now you've got a beaver. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.